Hey guys, so I want to start this video off by saying we all have good hair days and we all have bad hair days. And my hair is so damaged from everything. So this is what we have today. Who freaking cares? But anyway, so today I get home and I received a little package from Influenster. Some of you have heard me talk about this before. It's basically just a review site. It's a company that sends you free samples of products. A lot of times they're full size, they're not sample size, for you to review and post on your social media. There's no obligation to buy anything. It doesn't cost anything to sign up. You literally just have to review products, that's all. And they send you products to review based on your likes and interests and stuff like that. I mainly signed up for makeup, but I get a lot of hair products to review, and I get a lot of food, and I remember I got a mom box one time. So yeah, I mean, but it's all free, so like it takes 2 seconds to review. But I got this one from them, the L'Oreal Pure Deep Moisture Hair Mask. I've never tried a hair mask before, but I'm really excited to try it. One of the things in the past I've noted on my videos is that they don't have tracking to figure out like if your package is being prepared, if it's shipped or whatever. They now added that in the app so you can look it up and see where your package is, make sure it isn't lost or anything like that. So I just got it today. I'm going to go ahead and open it and show you how I scan it into my, ooh, the lighting, and scan it into my app. So get my handy dandy scissors, show you my double chin in the camera. Okay. Okay, so on this side of the box, they normally have something that looks like this that just shows you, you know, that you can use your phone. There is an app for it. I have the Influenster app on my phone, and normally you have one of these little cards and it tells you what the product is and what it basically does. So I have my app saved under my social. It's right there, Influencer. Boop, there he is. So we're just going to click that. It's going to open up to my account page. I'm going to scroll down to this campaign, which is the L'Oreal Mask, Pure, whatever, and click that. Oh, yep. And then you just click, I received my VoxBox. Okay, I got it. Okay, and once you receive it, the first thing they ask you to do, ow, my cat is like crawling over me, is normally post it to social media. So I'm probably going to do that. Let's just do it right now.
Yes.
Okay. So I uploaded that, and that should be it. And then your badge opens right there. That's how you get responses and everything. So, and then basically your badge, it'll just give you some tasks to complete, like post here, post there, and yeah, and then you get the badge, and that tells companies that you're reliable and you'll definitely post for them. So in this one, see what I mean? Full size products. So we have the Pure Hair Sheet Mask Steam Treatment, and we have the Pure Sulfate Free Moisture Shampoo. This is a full size. This isn't sample size. So I get to try these cool 2 things together for free and then review them. So stay tuned, and I'll keep you updated with how this goes. If you have any questions about Influenster, you can ask me, comment directly, and I'll link my account below in case you want to sign up. Bye.